Recykle's EPR solutions cover everything from compliance to fulfillment for your brand. Here's how EPR loop works. A proposal is sent to brands for EPR registration. After a mutual agreement, brands release the purchase order to Recykal. Recykal connects the brand to a service provider and sends them the purchase order. The service provider confirms if they have the specified material and quantity. They load the materials onto the vehicle and upload documents onto the EPR Loop app. The loaded material is delivered to the recycler. The recycler checks the material and quantity and updates the documents to the service provider. The fulfillment team reviews the document and allocates the fulfillment certificate to the brand. Are you meeting your EPR targets? If not, reach out to us at marketing@recycle.com.